Well, here we are again, party people. So, I took the Magstadt windscreen off my Triumph T120. I'm taking it out for a test ride. So I decided, where am I going to go? I'm going to go to Firehouse Coffee and have some breakfast. I'm going to get me a cappuccino, croissant with cheese and egg. Put some salt and pepper on it and we'll be good to go. Well, I noticed when I was riding up to Fort Monroe, where the Firehouse Coffee is, that I was getting quite a lot of wind on my chest. I was actually quite cool. And so maybe removing the windscreen was a good idea. Not used to the wind level. So here's some still pictures of Firehouse Coffee and my breakfast. I've become Instagram ready, it seems. Time for a little more riding around Fort Monroe. I'm going to go to the Lincoln Gun again and do some filming, take some pictures with the Triumph so I can make myself a new video intro. Might notice I decided to go the wrong way up a one-way street here. Oh, quite funny. Go through Fort Monroe's fortification. There's 4 of these gates. This one is called the main gate. Not quite sure why it's the main gate because it's no bigger than any of the other ones. And here we are at the Lincoln Gun again. I'm just going to park up and do some filming. We'll see that in a few seconds. We took some more stills of me, the gun, the bike and the gun and the placard. Oh, and the gun from that angle. And from this angle on the floor. Oh, there's the gun again. I'm going to use this bit as part of an intro. See how that goes and works out. And here we are, leaving the gun. Couple of different views of the cameras. Oh, flying the Union flag, as you can see from the rack at the back. And that is about it for this video. Hope you all enjoy it. I'll try and make 2 or